Hello. Today I'll show you how to fix limited network connectivity issues in Windows. Step 1. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Click on the search bar and just type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Step 2. Reset network settings using commands. In the command prompt window, do the following. Just copy and paste the following command shown on the screen. This resets the TCPIP stack to its default state. Then type this command and press Enter. This clears the DNS resolver cache. You should see a message saying the DNS resolver cache was flushed successfully. Then type this command shown. This resets the Winsock catalog to its default settings. You should see a message saying the Winsock catalog was reset successfully. After running all the commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer to apply the changes. Just wait for the system to reboot. This will take a few moments to load. So that's it. Your network issue should now be resolved. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.